Hi, it's Sam and I'm back and this is my second YouTube video. It turns out that you guys liked my last video. There was quite a bit of likes and views and subscribes and I was really flattered by that. So thank you. Today I am here, I'm going to be making sweet potato hummus. I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh, there's that vegan girl making hummus. Get over it. Vegans like hummus, okay? You like hummus, I know you do. But this is not regular hummus, this is sweet potato hummus. I don't know why I'm waving a potato in your face. Hot potato, they're not hot. Sweet potatoes, they're like awesome sweet packages of deliciousness disguised as a vegetable. Grab a fork, take your potato, and stab it. Just like that, don't stab your hand. You just want to kind of stab it all over, and this just makes a little steam vent so that your potato won't explode in the oven. That's it, we're done. I'm roasting two, you only need one for this recipe, but I like to have an extra potato on hand. And then we're just gonna pop that in the oven. My sweet potato is done. You can test it's done by just piercing it with a knife, and if the knife goes all the way through, it's perfect. So take it into the oven and then just scrape all the flesh out and stick it in your food processor. So I've got everything in the food processor now ready to go. I've got my sweet potato, chickpeas, chili powder, pepper, salt, and garlic clove, olive oil, and a little bit of water. And it already smells really good and I haven't even blended up yet. Just the smell of that sweet potato is so good. So I'm just gonna blend that up till it's smooth and creamy. Ta-da! Blending, blending. Ooh, it smells so good. It's perfect. Look at that hummus, it's gorgeous. My sweet potato hummus is done now. It's creamy, it smells great. And I want to eat it. I'm just trying to make some pretty little designs because that's what people do when you take food photos. Grind a pepper. Just got some broccoli florets here. Check it, it looks delicious. Drum roll please. Oh yeah, getting into the good stuff. Mmm. That's really good. So it's kind of like the best hummus ever. It tastes like sweet potatoes. You can use it as a dip like this. You can put it on a sandwich, thin it out, and use it as a salad dressing. So go and make yourself some hummus. Bon appetit!